In this part, you will learn the most basic and the importance command of the Kali Linux. So let's start. Open the terminal and the first command is whoami, and this command used to display the current username. Says we are logged in with the root, so it is here. And now date command used to display the system's date and time, and pwd stand for the print working directory, so it will show you where you are exactly. So if I go to the another location and cd, that means the change directory. So if you want to change or move to the another directory, then you can use the cd command. So let's say if I'm going into the desktop and now type the pwd, so it will show you the print the current working directory. And if you type the cd again, it will get back to the root folder. And ls command that lists the directory content of the files and the directories, so it is showing here. And the clear command will use to clear the terminal screen. mkdir command used to create a new directory. So let's see, if I want to create a directory on the desktop, so the command would be mkdir, then provide the path and they provide the folder name that you want to create. So I'm going to create a mi directory on the desktop. So as you can see, it is created. And if you want to put some files, so the touch command would be used to create a file, call it test.txt. So as you can see here, the testname.txt file is created using the touch command. And if you want to edit or add some content using the terminal, you can use the nano editor. If it is not installed, then you can install it by using the apt-get space install space nano. Desktop, my directory, test, and enter. So here we can add the content. For example, let me welcome everyone, thanks for watching. And you can save it by pressing the Ctrl X button and then press Y and hit enter. And if you want to read the text document in the terminal, you can use the cat command and it will display the content of the files. So here it is. And you can also clear the screen by pressing the Ctrl L button. And cp stand for the copy, used to copy the file from one to another location. So let's say if I want to copy the my directory and the test file on the desktop folder, so as you can see, it is here. And the mv command that will use to rename the files and move the directory or files to the another location. So first let's try to rename the test document. So it is on the desktop, the test, and the new name would be rename.txt. So as you can see, the file has been renamed, and if you want to move the file from desktop to inside the my directory, you can use the same command. So desktop rename and give the destination path, so it would be here. So the file has been moved from the desktop to inside the my directory. If you want to remove the files, you can use the rm command, and test. So the test name file has been deleted from here. And if you want to remove the directory with the subdirectory and the files, you have to use the rm space minus rvf and provide the path of the folder that you want to delete. So this has been deleted. Now let me clear the screen by pressing the Ctrl L and type the uptime command. This command used to find out how long this system is active or running. So our system is up and running since 46 minutes, and uname minus r command used to find out the OS version. So in our case, our Kali Linux version is 5.3.0, and cat /etc /passwd. This command used to get the list of the system's all accounts. So it will print all the systems accounts here. User add following with the username command is used to create a new users. So the users named Ankit has been created, and the passwd following with the username used to set the password. And if you want to delete the user account, the user del minus r following with the username, this command will delete the user account. And if config, the if config stands for the interface configuration, and it is a utility for Linux machine to configure, assign, add, delete and query the network interface in the Linux machine. So by typing the if config, you can get the IP of the system, net mask and the gateway, and it will also show you the status of the interface, whether it is up or down. So if I want to install the package or remove the package or update any package, the apt-get command will help us. So for example, if I want to install any package called nmap, so the command would be apt-get install and then package name. Yeah, so here you can see it is showing that it is already installed, so that's why, otherwise you'll get an option to proceed. And the same way you can, if you want to remove apt-get remove space nmap and hit enter. So it is removed, and now clear the screen, and reboot command will be reboot the system. And if you want to shut it down, the whole the system, you can use the power off command or init space 0.